And here's a trick: if you run out of TIG wire but you still have plenty of MIG wire or loose pieces like this that you pull out from when you change, you can make TIG wire or make it suitable. I learned this from an old welder. Stretch it out, chuck it up in your drill, and there you go. Makes it straight and strong. And another way you can do it is clamp it to something like a vise or anything like that, and then stretch it out and then run it. And as you tighten it up, the twists get tighter. And then pretty soon you've got a straight piece.